Hello. I'm Peter Plepper, professor in manufacturing engineering at the University of Luxembourg. We teach students in all aspects of manufacturing engineering technologies and also research on the versatility of projects, which we want to share today with you. It's the full process chain from engineering of product to process engineering to process operation and even recycling refurbishment like circular economy. These aspects include, like we want to discuss today, topics of laser, welding, robotic path planning, Industry 4.0, circular economy, assessing small, medium-sized companies to improve the manufacturing efficiency. We worked on a versatility of topics related to laser, welding and robotics path planning in the past. So all this rich experience is now being combined in project FAFil. Based on Natago's work and with the other projects partners, we're combining the knowledge of laser, metallurgy, of robotic path planning to an additive manufacturing solution.
My name is Natago. I'm a doctoral researcher at the University of Luxembourg working in FAFil. So in context of FAFil, the main goal is to find industrial solution while doing the research on how to get a good deposition strategy and also optimize process parameters in order to 3D print metallic objects.